Hey everybody, it's Roland, Barbecue Smoker Pros, Gasland, Georgia. And today we have a special cabinet heater from GaslandChef.com. This is an outdoor patio heater, 18,000 BTUs, does 450 square feet. Comes in two colors, black and this beautiful red. We're going to have a football barbecue party this week in our house. It's the big UGA Florida Gators game. And so we have lots of friends, clients, pitmasters coming over. And fall is here. And in Georgia, it's a little bit cool in the afternoon and the evenings. And I think this will be perfect just to take the chill out of the room and keep it nice and comfortable for everybody. So let's give this a review. And let's get started. So back here, you can see this is on wheels. You stick your regular propane tank on it, put it so the valve is on the side like this. It makes it much easier to hook on the hose, and then just turn it on. Simple. Then over here, you have your valve that you turn to pilot. You press that down, and then you have your igniter. Now you hold this down at the beginning, probably about 15 seconds, 30 seconds to let the gas go through the line to the front. You press the igniter, and you should have a nice flame on the bottom there. I don't know if you can see it on the bottom, but there's a flame there. And then back here you have low, medium, and high. We're just going to turn this on. You just got to push it down a little bit when you turn it. We'll turn it full blast here just to show it to you. Now again, for the tank here, it has this nice chrome holding tank to it. Side handles. Safety tips on the side. Operating tips on the top. And already you can feel that heat just radiating out, and my hand now is about a couple feet out, and you can already feel that out. Construction looks great. Love the color. Very simple to use. So I think if you're going to have an outdoor patio, a barbecue party, this is a great unit to take with you. It's not that heavy. Super easy to use. Go to GaslandChef.com. They're right here in South Carolina. Any questions, give me a call, holler, text. 770-866-2561. This is Roland at BarbecueSmokerPros.com. And we're going to give this right now 2 thumbs up. Have a